Do they sing at an Irish wake? Have you ever wondered about the traditions surrounding an Irish wake? One of the most intriguing aspects is the role of music, particularly singing. Yes, singing is a traditional and common part of an Irish wake. These gatherings are not just about mourning, they also celebrate the life of the deceased. Music plays a key role in this process. Historically, mourners would sing songs during the wake to honor the departed and help ease the grief of those left behind. The songs often include traditional Irish ballads and laments that reflected on life, death, and memory. This practice ties into the broader tradition of wakes being lively gatherings. Besides singing, wakes traditionally involve storytelling, eating, drinking, playing games, and sometimes even pranks. This combination of activities serves to comfort the bereaved while celebrating the deceased life in a uniquely Irish way. The singing, along with these customs, helps create a communal atmosphere where grief is shared and softened by remembrance and. In earlier times, wakes could last for several days and nights, with music and singing continuing throughout. The singing might also include keening, a form of vocal lament specific to Gaelic culture. Keening is characterized by wailing and expressive mourning sounds. While professional keeners were once hired to perform this, the practice has become rare in modern times. Today, wakes may be held in homes, community halls, or pubs, and music remains central to the experience. Irish wake songs and music help maintain the tradition of celebrating life and easing sorrow. This makes the wake both a solemn and uplifting occasion. So, if you find yourself attending an Irish wake, expect to hear heartfelt songs that honor the deceased. The music is an essential part of the experience, helping to support the community through loss while celebrating the life that was lived.